you get here at Belfast, guys, there's an airport shuttle that costs £11.50. I just had my morning dose here at Towns SQ, which is the best coffee awardee of Ireland. So there you go, guys. It was great. The cappuccino was just fantastic. So guys, next off, let's go. By the way, guys, it is best that you get this Belfast visitor pass at the Belfast International Airport, as you can save a lot from this one. And I only spent £6 for this one, so definitely it is something that you can really save. Hi guys, I just got here at College Green bus stop. So to help you move around or get to places over here at Belfast, you should download Move It app. It's MOOVE IT app, and I think it comes very handy. I actually have seen a lot of mummies, guys, in different museums, but then this gave me goosebumps.